welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be heading into IKEA and I'll be sharing everything that's new for spring with you. Immediately you'll see one of IKEA's newest collection called Bastua. It's all about connecting with nature and the Nordic tradition of self-care and sauna. Wow, one of the items that have really drawn me are these water bottles. They're stainless steel, 24 ounces for $12.99. It comes in two different colors, this orange one with the green stripe or this blue one with the floral print. I personally love floral prints because they are everywhere this year. Floral motifs are such a big trend. I also really love the wooden handle that this bottle comes with. It's just so perfect for carrying around. The size of the bottle is also great because they're not so big or too small. It's just so functional if you're going on a hike or just bringing it on a trip. I can't tell you how many times I've used a bottle like this at an airport, and it just saves me from buying water from the mini mart that overcharges. So definitely check this one out. I also see IKEA rolled out these limited edition prints for their famous shopping bag. The large one here is for $4.99. and it comes in two different prints. They also have this small one for $2.99. I love this one because it has a zip on top so you can really secure your items. These are just so fun and colorful. The bags are so roomy, perfect for carrying laundry, having items for a short trip, or just using them for moving. You can get this tray for $12.99. Similar to the shopping bag, the tray comes in this leaf pattern and it's orange and green color combination, similar to the stainless steel bottle that we just saw. I love the art on this. It's a decorative piece on its own. Over here, I spotted this cute coffee table for $64.99. What's unique about this is that it allows the tray to go directly on top, so you don't need to separately remove any glasses while serving. This can be pretty convenient if you're someone who likes to entertain a lot. If you like the glassware that you just saw on the table, IKEA also has these available, like this bowl for $11.99. The glass is apparently pretty strong and impact resistant. And then hanging over here are these cute lanterns. They are, as I found out, battery operated, so even for $24.99, I would probably give this one a pass because I'm not ready for the hassle of changing batteries, especially if I run out of them around the house. The floor cushion is also pretty cute for $59.99. I would probably use this for my rattan chairs. The cushion is pretty thick and it looks very comfortable. You can also take the cover off if you need to wash this. And of course, this collection is not complete without these leaf pattern robe kimonos. The orange and green one does remind me of the bottle, and the leaf one is pretty consistent with everything we've seen so far from the collection, like the tray, the cushion, and the shopping bag. I do like how everything is inspired by nature. Now let's go into organization, which is one of my favorite areas of IKEA. And new for the spring is this green storage basket for $19.99. It has a stackable tray, great for holding small objects and items. It also comes with this cute little handle for easy carrying. For $2.99, they also have this cute white basket. I really like the holes on the side, which allows the water to drain, so it keeps everything dry inside and no puddle of water. These storage box with lid are also new. They come in different colors and are totally stackable. The small ones are $2.99 and the medium sized ones are $4.99. The yellow is definitely my favorite. I love yellow. It's a happy color. They have tons of different colors for you to choose from. I do also really like these mini ones for $2.99. Definitely going to be picking up this green stripe toiletry bag. It's $7.99. It looks like it can hold tons of makeup, lotion, toiletries. Great for traveling. Reason why I do really like this is because it's not often I find bags that are completely lined inside, and this has 3 small compartments, so it's not like everything will get lost. The material also feels very nice. You can also pick up these reusable cleansing pads for $5.99. They're washable and help reduce waste. And of course, after stopping by the canteen, we are now headed into the kitchen section. And have we mentioned that IKEA is heaven if you're in the market for a new cutting board? They have so many shapes and sizes and thickness. You should definitely check cutting boards out here before you go anywhere else. Everything is also so reasonably priced. Okay, you guys have to know this if you guys already own one of IKEA's popular utility carts. They come with this cutting board tray for $11.99, and it serves both as a lid for the cart and also a chopping board. So whenever you need to chop up something, you can take it off the cart, cut up whatever you need to cut up, and then put it back onto the cart once you're done. I love this because it's multifunctional. It's a lid and a chopping board, and it's super convenient to just have it right there. So get this for $11.99 and also consider getting the cart as well. Let's head into rug, outdoor, and garden. I love looking at this section, especially when the weather is getting warmer. Right up in front, I see this rainbow doormat that is $14.99, super cute. I also see tons of other doormat options all for under $14.99, and they come in different patterns and floral prints and bees. I'm also obsessed with all the watering cans that IKEA has, like these ones with the gold accent. These look so traditional and I love it. It's super cute. If you're someone who enjoys gardening, I also found this gardening tool set for you. And this is for $8.99. These are detachable and just great for planting and for spring. So that's all the items that we have found for spring. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below which items you like, which items you didn't like, or what other items that you've seen that we've missed. It would really help us. We'll make sure to include it in our next video. Again, please like and subscribe, help us beat the algorithm, and thank you so much for your support.